In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set minimum stay on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to require guests to book a certain number of nights, either for specific dates or across an entire rate plan. First, let's use the most common way, the calendar in the Booking.com extranet. Open your browser and go to admin.booking.com, then sign into your extranet. From the top menu, choose Rates and Availability and Open Calendar. Navigate to the date or dates you want to adjust. In the calendar grid, look for the section labeled Restrictions, then find the min stay field for those dates. Click into that field and type the number of nights you want to require, 2, 3, 7, whatever fits your policy. When you're done, click Save. That's it. This change means guests must book at least that many nights when their stay includes those dates. Now, if you want one consistent minimum stay to apply across all dates in a particular offer, set it at the rate plan level. In the extranet, go to Rates and Availability and then Rate Plans. Choose the plan you want to adjust, such as your standard or non-refundable plan, and click Edit. Scroll until you find the minimum stay setting, enter the number of nights you want to require, and click Save. This applies the minimum stay to every date covered by that plan. A few important things to keep in mind. You can set different minimum stays for different periods, like weekends or holidays, by repeating the calendar method for only those dates. Also, day-by-day settings on the calendar can override your general rule in the rate plan. For example, if your rate plan requires 3 nights, but you set 5 nights on the calendar for a holiday weekend, guests will need to book 5 nights for those dates. Finally, some properties are managed through a property management system or channel manager. If you see fields grayed out or can't save changes, your restrictions may be controlled by that external system. In that case, make the change in your PMS or channel manager, or contact your provider for help. Before wrapping up, a quick tip. Always click Save after entering your minimum nights and allow a moment for the changes to update. It's a good idea to spot check by viewing availability as a guest or running a test search to confirm the rule is active. That's the process. Use the calendar for targeted date control and rate plans for broad always-on rules. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.